Sample problem for Nancy. Number 20. Determine the heat value of a certain fuel with a specific gravity of 0.997. So, in solution, using the formula of HHB is equal to 51,716 minus 8,793.8 times SG squared. So, substitute the value. So, 51,716 minus 8,793.8 times 0.997 squared is equal to 42,925 kilojoules per kilogram. So, the answer is letter A. For number 21, how do you call the mixture of substances that are used in laboratory methods? Common example is a mixture of ice and salt. So, in given, calorific mixture, water, ammonia, frigorific mixture, and endoscopic mixture. Answer is A. Calorific mixture. So, number 23. The maximum temperature of a gas or vapor at which it may be condensed into a liquid. A. Saturation temperature. B. Critical temperature. C. Superheated temperature. And D. Dew point temperature. Ang answer is letter B. Critical temperature. And for number 26, what is the specific gravity of a fuel at 28 Baome? In solution, S specific gravity at 15.16 degrees Celsius equal to 140 over Baome at 130. So, substitute tayo ang value sa Baome. So, 140 over 28 plus 130 is equal to 0.886. So, ang yung final answer is letter C. And for the last number 27, air at 1 megapascal and 310 degrees Celsius is expanded to 250 ppa in accordance with the relation of PV 1.25 is equal to C. So, determine the work done. So, in solution, using the formula of P2 is equal to P1 times P2 over P1. And raised to the power of n minus 1 over n. So, substitute din ang mga value sa P1 o P2 and P1. So, 310 plus 273 Kelvin. So, times 250 over 1,000. Times din natin siya sa yung raise na n minus 1 over n. So, nasa taas is 0.25 over 1.25. So, yung Kelvin is 441.53 Kelvin. So, may work done lang siyang ipakita. So, the formula po sa work done is equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 over 1 over n. So, substitute tayo na to ang P2 V2 minus P1 V1 is reduction mo may yung R. So, substitute tayo na to R over 1 over n. So, times P2 minus P1. Tapos, substitute tayo ng value na yun. Ang R, value sa R is 708 over negative 0.55 times 441.83 minus 583 Kelvin. So, ang yung final answer is positive 162.11 kilojoules per kilogram. So, ang yung final answer is determined.